Hello friends, today we are going to see how to add icons on a web page. So this is our project, my portfolio. We are going to open this index.html. So to use icons on this web page, first we come here in head section, and inside this head section we come here, then we insert this link. This is the link we use. Then after inserting this link, okay, we come here, we open any browser, then we type google.com, search for fonts awesome. This is this one, click here. Then after reaching here, we click here on icons. Okay, then after clicking on icons, come here, you click here. Then after we click on free, because we are going to use free icons. Then we can search for any icon. For example, let us search user. So these are the icons. You can pick any icon you want. For example, let us pick this one. Then you click on it. So let me reduce the size. So after clicking on it, you come here, you click on this code. Then you come in the project. Come back in the project. Now suppose that you're going to insert this icon here on about, then you paste the code here. Now for squeeze, you go back, you take another icon, so you can remove user. Okay, on here icon grids, there are many icons. You can take any icon you want. For example, for me, let me check here, let me search for book. Okay, maybe let me take this one, then I copy, I come here, I paste it here. I can also paste this here. Then you contact, let me use a phone. For example, close. Then I search for phone. Okay, for example, let me take this one. Then you click here, and come back, I paste it here. Then after I save, after saving, I will go back on the web browser. I open HTTP as usual. Now the project is in my portfolio. This is this one. I click on it. Okay, so after clicking on it, so here, okay, here I have two icons. Let me remove one. Here on about I have two. Okay, let me remove this. I mean with one icon. Then I go back, refresh. Okay, so you can see that now the icons are there. So you can put any icon you want. For example, here let's also put some icons on scrolls. So HTML, let us search for HTML icon. Come here, then you type HTML. So it is this one. Click on it. I click here, then I go in the project here on scrolls, paste the code here. Another one is the CSS. Close this one. So let's search for CSS. So CSS, for example, let's take this, copy. Then I come here, paste it on CSS. So the next is the JavaScript. I come here, search for JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript. So let's take this, then copy, then I come here, I paste it here on JavaScript. Another one is SQL. Close this, search for SQL. Okay, SQL server. Okay, for example, let me take this, copy, then I come paste it here. So the last one is teaching. Okay, suppose that is teaching, teach. Okay, let me take this, then copy, come here, I paste here. Okay, so I have to put space to separate these words and the icon, then I save. After saving, let me go back to the project, then I refresh. Okay, so as you can see, the icons are there. So this is how we can use icons on our web page. Next time we shall see how to use these icons after saving the icon folder in our project. Thank you for watching. See you next time.